Hello everyone, this is Deepti. Thank you so much for joining me today. In this video, I will be making 3 cards using single stamp set called Beautiful from Makeup Forte, which is in collaboration with Hedgehog Hollow. You can find a list of supplies in the description below. To start with, I took 3.25 by 8.5 inches heavyweight ultra wide cardstock from Makeup Forte, and with the help of my stamping tool, I stamped this big flower stamp set using Makeup Forte's Color Hive inks. I have used Zara skirt for pink shade and Pearl Rain color for purple shade. Now I stamped at the rest of the cardstock also, and the best part is this stamp set is in continuation with the other side. Now our quick and easy stamp background is ready, and for the sentiment I took this big beautiful stamp and positioned it at the place where I wanted it to be and inked it using Color Hive Eclipse black ink. These inks are so juicy that in one go you will get perfect clear crisp image. I took matching cardstock from Makeup Forte and cut it into 7 by 8.5 inches and folded it into half. And I adhered the stamp panel into this card base using double-sided tape. And finally, I added some fluorescent pink gemstones from Makeup Forte to complete this card. So you can see how easily and quickly we put this card together. Let's move to our second card. For this card, I took A2 size ultra wide cardstock and ink blended the 2/3 portion of the card using Makeup Forte's ink. For that, I have used same 2 colors, pink and purple, which I've used for my previous card. And this time I've added blue shade, which is called Acid Rain, and ink blended it. Once satisfied with ink blending, I stamped the flowers using Color Hive Eclipse black ink. Make sure you first ink blend the background and then stamp it with Eclipse black ink, because this black ink is not waterproof. If you will do vice versa, which means if you will first stamp the card and then try to ink blend it using these Color Hive water reactive ink, then your black color will get smudge. Our front panel is ready, and here I took Makeup Forte's purple cardstock and cut it into 2 halves vertically, and mounted this Ink Planet panel using double-sided tape. For the sentiment, I have used this all season sentiment printed paper designed by Jazz Francisco for Maker Forte and fussy cut it. I adhered it on the card panel, and for final touch up, I have added some fluorescent gemstones to complete this card. Over to my final card. For this, I took Maker Forte's Spotlight oval stencil and secured it to the white card base using masking tape. Then I ink blended it with Color Hive Purple Rain ink. Once I was done with ink blending, I stamped the flowers using same stamp set and same pink and purple color Hive inks. For the sentiment, I have masked it using masking tape and then inked it with Eclipse black ink and removed the mask before stamping. Then I trimmed the stamped card panel half centimeter and mounted on matching cardstock. As usual, I added some gemstones to complete this card. So here we made 3 quick and easy stamped cards using single stamp and 3 colors. I really enjoyed making these cards. I hope you like it too. If you have questions, then leave them into the comment section below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up and please support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.